Hello friends, today's topic is mutation and its important facts. And if you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Actually, this is different video compared to other videos. You must watch it, okay, and command your commands in command section, okay. What is mutation? I think you all know it is a sudden heritable changes, okay. It is a definition. Don't confuse with the discovery of mutation. Here I am giving clear explanations and correct answers. Okay. If you know the answer, you can answer. Mutation was first discovered by. 4 options are there. Choose one. Second question is, who induced artificial mutation in plant by X-rays? 4 options are there. You can choose any one. And coming to the answer, mutation was first discovered by option C, Wright. Okay, he only first discovered in 1791 in male lamb which had short legs. Okay, option C. And who induced artificial mutation in plant? Okay, by X-rays. Circle plant. Okay, in plant artificial mutation was first discovered by Staler. Okay, especially in barley. The term mutation was coined by Hooked virus and he is a father of mutation. And coming to mutagenic action in X-rays, actually in Drosophila the mutagenic action of X-rays was discovered by Muller, and in plant, that is barley, the mutagenic effects of X-rays was discovered by Staler. Okay, please don't confuse with those two. Actually, systemic studies on mutations begin in 1910 with a discovery of white eye mutant of Drosophila by Morgan. Okay, and the first plant breeding program designed to exploit induced mutations, that is mutation breeding, was initiated in 1929 in Sweden, Germany and Russia. And in India, first mutation breeding program began in early 1930s. Okay, please take a note on it. And father of mutation is Hooked virus. This is also important question. They are asked infrequently. This is a short introduction regarding mutation. And next question, which of the following is generally the frequency of spontaneous mutations? That is 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 7. Okay. First, what is spontaneous mutation? You must know. Actually, spontaneous mutation is the mutation that occur naturally the occurring mutations are called spontaneous mutation. Okay. Actually, the frequencies of these mutations are very low. Here the answer is 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. Then within a gene, unit of mutation is called. What is the unit of mutation? Answer is mutant. And the spontaneous mutation occur at very low frequency, I already said. And frequency of gene mutation is calculated by the formula m by m plus n. That is, m is equal to number of individuals expressing mutation for a gene and n is equal to number of normal individuals in a population. Okay. This is all some information regarding mutations. Please take a note on important points. Okay. And opposite to spontaneous mutations, induced mutations. That is, induced mutations are those which are produced by use of mutagenic agents. Okay. Another very important question is, which of the following mutagens is a base analog? Okay. Answer is option B, 5-bromouracil. Okay. 5-bromouracil is a base analog and it is very important frequently asked question. Actually, base analogs are chemical mutagens. Mutagens are the agents which induce the mutations or they are having the high frequency of inducing mutations. In this, base analogs are chemical mutagens and they are similar to DNA bases. For example, 5-bromouracil is similar to thymine and commonly used base analogs are 5-bromouracil and 2-aminopurine. Okay. A gene which exhibits higher mutation rate than other genes is called. Option A, mutator gene. Option B, anti-mutor gene. Option C, mutable gene. Option D, hotspot. Please don't confuse with these options. Okay. Here the answer is mutable genes. Option C. Mutable genes are those they exhibit high rate of spontaneous mutations or higher mutation rates. Okay. And mutator means what? Means some genes increase spontaneous mutation rate of some other genes of the genome. They increase. Okay. Antimuter means they will suppress. Mutable means they will exhibit. Okay, please read the terms carefully and answer the question. These are confusing terms. Here the answer for this question is option C, mutable gene. A gene which exhibits higher mutation rate than other genes is called mutable gene. Option C. Okay, take a note and be clear in this. And the agents that increase the frequency of mutations are called mutagens. Okay, these also you must be clear. Yes, mutation rate varies from one gene to another gene. Some genes exhibit higher mutation rate than others. Such genes are called mutable genes. Okay, they will exhibit. The term is very important. Example is white eye in Drosophila. Here, what are the characteristics of mutation? Very important point. And I think this is very easy question because answer is all of these. That is, they are recessive and harmful. This statement also correct. And they are random and recurrent. This statement also correct. Often mutation shows philotropy. That is one gene that exhibit multiple effect, that causes multiple effect. That is philotropy. Okay. Philotropy is nothing but a single mutant allele affects more than one character. That is very important. And answer is all of these. Coming to the next question, mutagenic changes result from which of the following alterations in DNA? Here answer is deletion, insertion and base substitution. All the above is answer. And methyl methane sulfonate is what? Here the answer for this is they are chemical mutagen. Okay, very important question. Methyl methane sulfonate. They comes under the category alkylating agents. Okay, that is chemical mutagens. Mutagens, I told already about mutagens. Actually, mutagens are two types, chemical and physical mutagens. Coming to the chemical mutagens, alkylating agents, base analogues and acridine dyes. That is, alkylating agents are most powerful group of mutagens. Okay, they induce mutagens, especially transitions and transversions. Example is ethyl methane sulfonate, methyl methane sulfonate, and sulfur mustard, nitrogen mustard, etc. These are alkylating agents example. And I already told about base analogues. They are similar to DNA bases. And acridine dyes. Acridine dyes are very effective mutagens. For this, profalvin is generally used for the induction of mutation in bacteriophages. Okay, that is profalvin. Okay, very important. Take a note on it. And examples for this is profalvin, acridine orange, acridine yellow. Okay. Coming to physical mutagens, this includes X-rays, gamma rays, alpha rays, beta rays and UV rays. X-rays were first discovered by Röntgen in 1895. The wavelength of X-rays vary from 10 to the power minus 11 to 10 to the power minus 7. Actually, they are sparsely ionizing and highly penetrating type of radiations. And X-rays were first discovered by Muller. I already told, and Staler about the discovery I told in introduction part. Okay, again I no need to explain, I think. And gamma rays are identical to X-rays in most of the physical properties and biological effects. And sites within genes show very high rate of mutation. 4 options are there. It's very easy questions. Answer is hotspots. Hotspots are the sites which within genes show very high rate of mutations. Okay, option D, hotspots. Physical mutagen, now only I explained. Answer is both A and B, that is X-rays and gamma rays. Both are also example for physical mutagens. Okay, and EMS stands for. EMS is very important. Don't confuse with these options. Answer is option A, ethyl methane sulfonate. Okay. You have to read the classification of mutations also. In this, these are very important. Okay. That is a mutation which kills the individual that carries it is. Answer. It will kill that individual. Here 4 options are there. Please think. Here answer is lethal. Lethal mutation only kills that individual, it carries it. And when mortality is more than 50% of the individuals that carry mutation is, if the mortality is more than 50% of the individuals means the answer is sublethal. Okay, every individuals will die means lethal, more than 50 means sublethal, and less than 50 means subvital, okay, and vital means there will be no mortality, that is nothing will happen, okay. Okay, these mutations are classified based on survival mutation, okay. So option for this question, based on survival mutation, can be classified into all the above, okay. Some important facts I left are mutagens, I already said, okay. Here you can note the definition. They are referred to physical or chemical agents which greatly enhance the frequency of mutations. Here X-rays were first discovered by Röntgen in 1895. So the unit of X-ray is Röntgen. It is very important question, and you can note that the units also, because sometimes they will ask 1 or 2 questions from units. So please read it and take a note on this tabular column also. Also take a screenshot, because last year one question came from this in JRF Plant Science question. I think you are all following. Next, gamma rays. I already said gamma rays are identical to X-rays in most of the physical properties and biological effects. And Gobal 60 is most commonly used for the production of gamma rays. This is very important. And UV rays are non-ionizing. This detection of mutation, actually 4 methods. You no need to go deep about this method. Just know the name and its discovery and its use, okay. Detection of mutation by 4 methods. It is CIB method, Muller-5 method, attached X method, curly lobe plum method, okay. Actually this CIB method was developed by Muller for detection of induced sex-linked recessive lethal mutation in Drosophila male, okay. For what means? For detection of induced sex-linked recessive lethal mutation, okay. Please be clear in that word. And Muller-5 method is an improved version of CIB method. It was also discovered by Muller to detect sex-linked mutation in Drosophila, okay. Next, attached X method. This method is used to detect sex-linked visible mutations in Drosophila, okay. Actually these methods are mainly discovered for Drosophila only, keep in mind. Coming to the last, curly lobe plum method. This is used for the detection of mutation in autosomes, okay. Mainly for detection of autosomes, mutation in autosomes, very important point. Actually more than enough, if you know the names and discovery, it's enough for objective types. And if you need deep, later I will make video regarding this methods, okay. And please take a note on everything. Short notes are very helpful during exams. During exam revisions they are helpful. Coming to frame shift mutation. Okay, I left this mutation. Actually frame shift mutation arises due to addition or reduction of nucleotides in mRNA, okay. And the example is very important. Sickle cell anemia disease is caused due to frame shift mutation, okay. Missense mutation. Actually missense mutation occur due to missense codons. That is mutations with missense codons which code for different amino acids. They will code for some different amino acids, so that missense mutations will occur. And nonsense mutation. Actually here definition is wrong. I didn't mention the term do not, okay. That means totally it's wrong. I will say the definition, so please take a note. Mutations with codons which do not code for any amino acid. They will not code, okay. So that nonsense mutation. Non, the word non itself, do not, okay. Here don't see this. Mutations with codon which do not code, okay. Please change it. Sorry for the mistake. Actually mutations are 0.1% only, they are beneficial, okay. What are the beneficial and what are the applications of these mutation in crop improvement means? Development of improved varieties, induction of male sterility, production of haploids, creation of genetic variation is very important, and overcoming self-incompatibility. Here the main point is creation of genetic variation, okay. Please take the note on these 5. Sometimes objectives they will ask, okay. Please take a note. And some important types of mutations, okay. Based on direction, they are classified as forward and reverse mutation. Forward mutation are nothing but any change from wild type to mutant allele. From wild to mutant allele means it is forward. Reverse means from mutant to wild. Okay, it is opposite to forward. That's all about direction of mutation. And these are classified based on direction. And based on cause or source of mutation, they are classified as spontaneous mutation and induced mutation. That is, spontaneous mutations are naturally occurring, I already said, and induced mutations are induced, okay. These induced mutations are induced by use of some mutagenic agents, okay. Next, based on visibility, that is morphological effect, the macro mutations and micro mutations. Macro mutations, that is the mutations with distinct morphological changes in phenotype. Okay, generally they are found in qualitative characters. Macro qualitative characters. Okay, please keep in mind. And micro mutations is opposite to this, that is mutations with invisible phenotypic changes. Generally they are observed in quantitative characters. Micro quantitative characters. Okay, please read this. And based on survival, lethal, sublethal, subvital, vital, we had already seen previously. That's all. That's all about today's small introduction and small facts regarding mutations. If you have any queries, please comment in comment section and subscribe our channel, and Telegram channel link is in description box. You can join it and share with your friends. Study well. All the best. Thank you.